Did you know that you can now create your own resources and playlists in the Totara community? So how might you do that? And perhaps more importantly, why? Well, with Totara Engage, content isn't just top-down, generated by the organisation or team running the Totara site. Instead, content flows both ways, where everyone's contributions are valued. If you're an expert in a particular topic, or even just an enthusiast, we're sure you've got valuable insights to share with other community users. Perhaps you've got a video or document you've created that might be of interest to other users, or you've found an interesting article online. If so, we'd encourage you to share it so we can all learn from each other. But resources don't have to be public. You can start to build up your own collection of resources within the community just for you, or shared with a select group of people. Perhaps you want to create a playlist for others in your organisation who also use the community, or you want to start curating interesting resources to return to. All of this is now possible in the Totara community. So let's have a look at how. First, go to Collaborate and then select your library. This is where you'll come to create resources and playlists and view any that you've saved on your travels around the site. Let's start by creating a new resource. Give your resource a title and enter the content of the resource below. You can add text, images, audio, videos, or links to external sites. You can make your resource more easily found in search by adding hashtags too. Now, decide who the resource is for. If it's just for you, simply select Done and your resource will be added to your library. It's private to you and can't be viewed by others on the site. You might also decide to share the resource only with specific users. In this case, you'll be asked to select those people or workspaces here. But if you'd like to make your resource available to all community users to benefit from, select Everyone. Let people know how long it will take them to view the resource. For public resources, you'll also need to assign the resource a topic, which is applied as a catalogue filter. Once you're ready, select Done to add your resource to the site. Any public resources you add will be available in the resources catalogue, where you can also find other resources that might be of interest. If you find a useful resource, or one you want to return to later, you can also bookmark resources. On returning to your library, you'll find it under Saved Resources. So that's adding, sharing, and saving resources in the Totara community. We can't wait to learn from you.